It's not in pool anymore.
Patícame, papacito. Patícame algo, amor. Patícame algo, amor, chiquitos. Patícame algo bonito. Dime qué va. A ver, ¿qué más? Dime mucho. Dime muchas cosas. Papacitos. Patícame algo. Amé, ¿a dónde vas a ir mañana? ¿A dónde van a ir con los conejitos, con tus amigos? ¿A dónde? Van a ir a buscar los huevitos, muchos huevitos, papacitos. Muchos huevitos. A ver, patícame, chiquitos, lime algo. You just eat it, so we can have a lot of fun in the pool. I can have a lot of friends. I have like 6 of them. But one of them, he's real evil. Yeah, my brother bought me an evil one, the rubber ducky. He's real mean. He always scares all the rubber duckies the way you just see. Because he wants to eat them. But I told him that I was going to eat him if he doesn't stop it. I told him. Yeah, because we can have a lot of fun in the pool, me and my friends. We can have a lot of fun. We like to sing. And we like to play. And then we drink vitamina. Oh, you just eat the cocktails that my